Did you know the biggest obstacle to building real wealth isn't your salary, your family background, or even your country's economy? It's you, your own mind. Sounds strange, right? But it's true. Fear, laziness, procrastination, they're all natural parts of being human. But once you understand how your brain works and how to outsmart it, you can unlock financial freedom that lasts a lifetime. Here's what most people don't realize. Your brain is wired to keep you comfortable, not to make you rich. Your brain loves certainty and familiarity. But financial freedom? It requires stepping into the unknown, investing, trying new things, making decisions that feel risky. So when you think about budgeting or investing, your brain tells you, hey, let's not do that today. It's complicated. Do it tomorrow. That's how fear and laziness work together to keep you stuck. And what happens? Days turn into months, months turn into years, and your goals stay dreams. The good news? Once you see this pattern, you can break it.
First, recognize that fear of the future is normal. We're all afraid of making mistakes, losing money, or looking foolish, but the best way to beat fear is action. Think about this. No one built wealth by overthinking forever. They built it by taking one step, then another. Use the 2-minute rule. If a money step will take less than 2 minutes, do it now. Open that savings account, set up that budget app, transfer that tiny amount. One small step lowers fear and creates momentum. Remember this, small steps every day beat big plans that never happen. Here's the real secret. Consistency beats intensity, every time. It's not the one big investment you make once. It's the small, regular contributions you make month after month. It's not saving a huge chunk once and then quitting. It's saving a small amount automatically, even if it feels tiny, because that habit adds up. Think about going to the gym. One 10-hour workout won't change your body, but 30 minutes a day, over a year, that's transformation. Your money works the same way. Consistency is the true superpower. So how do you use this in real life? Here's my simple framework for anyone, anywhere in the world. 1. Awareness. Know where your money goes. Spot the leaks. 2. Education. Learn just enough to take action. You don't need a finance degree. You just need clear, simple basics. 3. Action. Start small, automate it, take the emotion out of it. 4. Consistency. Stick with it, even when you feel lazy. Build systems that make it easy. 5. Accountability. Track your progress. Celebrate tiny wins. Share your goal with a friend or family member who supports you. That's it. Simple, not easy, but life-changing. And here's the best part. This works no matter where you live. I've seen people in countries with high inflation, unstable economies, or low average incomes still build wealth. How? By mastering themselves. They controlled what they could. They educated themselves. They took small, consistent actions. Financial freedom doesn't care about your starting point. It cares about your habits. So if you want to unlock your financial future, master yourself first. Overcome fear and laziness with tiny daily actions. Stay consistent. And trust that small steps done right lead to big change. Tell me below in the comments, what's one small money step you'll take today? Open an account, cut an expense, read about an investment? I want to hear it. Subscribe to Fortunes Forward and hit that bell, because together we're making finance simple, strategic, and smart. Thanks for being here. See you in the next video.